Welcome to Auto Info channel. Today we are talking about Bajaj Pulsar NS220 performance. The Bajaj Pulsar NS200 is a testament to the engineering brilliance of the Pulsar series. It has become an icon for enthusiasts who crave speed, style, and performance. Equipped with a powerful 199.5cc liquid-cooled, single-cylinder engine, the NS200 offers a thrilling riding experience that balances power and efficiency. Its triple-spark DTSI technology ensures superior combustion, maximizing fuel efficiency and performance. The engine produces 24.5 PS of power at 9,750 RPM and 18.74 Nm of torque at 8,000 RPM, delivering seamless acceleration and a top-notch riding experience. Coupled with a 6-speed gearbox, the bike ensures smooth shifts and keeps the rider in control at all speeds. Built on a perimeter frame, the NS200 delivers exceptional stability and sharp handling, making it a joy to ride through corners and on highways. Its robust chassis supports the suspension system, which consists of telescopic forks at the front and a nitrox mono-shock at the rear, ensuring a smooth ride even on rough terrains. The dual-disc braking system, complemented by optional dual-channel ABS, offers precise stopping power, ensuring rider safety at high speeds. The design of the Bajaj Pulsar NS200 is aggressive and sporty, reflecting the bike's high-performance capabilities. Its sharp lines, muscular tank, and edgy graphics give it a distinct identity. The motorcycle is equipped with twin LED DRLs and a halogen headlamp, ensuring excellent visibility at night. The split seats add to its sporty look while providing comfort for both the rider and pillion. The digital analog instrument cluster provides all the necessary information, including speed, fuel level, gear position, and trip details. The NS200's exhaust note is another standout feature, with a deep and throaty growl that complements its sporty character. The motorcycle has a fuel tank capacity of 12 liters, offering decent range for long rides. Weighing 159.5 kilograms, the bike strikes a balance between lightweight handling and a planted feel on the road. The NS200 is not just about performance, it also offers practicality and reliability. It is designed to handle both urban commutes and weekend getaways with ease. Its ergonomics provide a comfortable yet slightly aggressive riding posture, ideal for sporty performance and long-distance comfort. The bike's 17-inch alloy wheels and grippy tubeless tires ensure excellent traction and stability on various surfaces. The Bajaj Pulsar NS200 competes with motorcycles like the KTM Duke 200, TV's Apache RTR 204V, Yamaha MT-15, and Hero Extreme 200S. Despite stiff competition, it stands out due to its affordability, low maintenance cost, and impressive performance. The NS200 is a favorite among young riders who want a bike that delivers both in terms of aesthetics and power. Bajaj has consistently updated the Pulsar NS200 to meet the evolving expectations of riders. Over the years, the bike has seen improvements in design, performance, and features, making it one of the most desirable options in its segment. Its reliability and wide service network further add to its appeal, ensuring peace of mind for owners. The Pulsar NS200's sporty design is complemented by its robust performance. Whether navigating city traffic, hitting the open road, or taking on winding mountain paths, the bike delivers an exhilarating ride every time. The combination of its advanced engine, excellent handling, and premium features makes it a true street fighter. The motorcycle has become a symbol of youthful energy and a passion for motorcycling. It is the perfect choice for riders who want a bike that is as stylish as it is powerful. The NS200's competitive pricing makes it accessible to a wide range of riders, further cementing its position as one of the most popular bikes in its category. The legacy of the Bajaj Pulsar series, which revolutionized the Indian motorcycle market, continues with the NS200. It represents the spirit of innovation and performance that the Pulsar brand is known for. Riders who choose the NS200 are not just buying a motorcycle, they are investing in a lifestyle of freedom, adventure, and thrill. For those who seek the perfect blend of power, style, and affordability, the Bajaj Pulsar NS200 remains a top contender. It is more than just a bike, it is an experience that resonates with the dreams and aspirations of riders across the country. The NS200 is a symbol of Bajaj's commitment to delivering motorcycles that inspire confidence and excitement. From its bold design to its cutting-edge technology, every aspect of the NS200 is crafted to offer an unmatched riding experience. Its enduring popularity is a testament to its superior quality and the trust it has earned from riders over the years. Bajaj's focus on innovation and customer satisfaction is evident in the Pulsar NS200. It is a bike that exceeds expectations and sets new standards in its segment. The NS200 is not just a motorcycle, it is a celebration of the joy of riding. Its dynamic performance and striking design make it a bike that turns heads wherever it goes. The NS200's success is a result of Bajaj's dedication to creating motorcycles that cater to the needs of riders who demand the best. Whether it's the thrill of acceleration, the confidence of precise handling, or the pride of owning a stylish machine, the NS200 delivers on all fronts. It is a bike that captures the essence of motorcycling and elevates it to new heights. The Bajaj Pulsar NS200 is more than a machine, it is a statement of individuality and passion. For riders who live to ride, the NS200 is the ultimate companion. Its enduring legacy is a reflection of its excellence and the joy it brings to riders everywhere. It is a bike that inspires dreams and fuels the spirit of adventure. With the Pulsar NS200, Bajaj has created a masterpiece that continues to redefine the standards of motorcycling. Please like and subscribe my channel so you never miss any updates.